The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
All of the things them where you could have blood clot fight the talk about a shit come. Why? You want me tell you why? Because you are the shit bug. The big black ugly big dead blood clot bug with the little sprang them so we really shit them. You feel me I deal with daddy? You sit down and blood clot wait and pal off and blast and wait until people shit. You wonder and waiting how body hole is going to open to drop out the substance with union. You feel me I deal with? Listen to me big one sting pussy footer. Let me tell you this. When me see your blood clad mouth, it resemble man balls. So you can't know so you catch them there in your blood clad mouth like cricket.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so that person that you just saw a while ago is Pretty Dan, a famous blogger right about now, and she's responding to something that Foota Hype said about her, right? So let me give you a recap about who is Pretty Dan and who is Foota Hype. They're basically both bloggers, but Foota Hype was a DJ, for a Jamaican DJ, or should I say a selector, as the Jamaica would call it, isn't it? And Pretty Dan, she's Jamaican as well, but she's a blogger, like straight blogging, isn't it? But Pretty Dan, you know, Pretty Dan is well known to many right about now, and some people might have a problem as to how she expresses herself. Meanwhile, a lot of people find it exciting because of how she expresses herself and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? I'm going to actually play the video what Foota Hype said that caused this thing to be triggered off. But even though this video what I'm going to play is what caused Pretty Dan to respond about what Foota Hype said, no one knows where the whole feud thing or this argument started between the two. But however, this little thing you see happening between them right now is on social media, and it's all over the place and it's big. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, like for bring tune and keep on up to date, posted and informed to what's going on. You see what I'm saying to you? So here I'm going to play a very small part of Foota Hype video so that you can get a better idea of what Pretty Dan is responding to. Alright? Observe.
Like somebody just shit in her mouth. One shame. When me see a ball one day, people may have something to tell them. You know, show me a man or a woman. That's suck your mother.
So that's what he said. You see me I say? Now, some people said that this thing is way too much. Some people said that they need to pacify their differences, and some people just plain seems to enjoy this thing and find it entertaining, you see me? So that's where me leave this with you, my viewers and subscribers, for actually tell me what you think about something like this. You know what I mean? Leave your comment and so forth, but don't be too harsh, you know, just be, you know, just give it a good little word. You see me I say, as them say, a soft answer turn it away wrath, you know, and we don't really want any more feud than it already is. Alright? So let me know what you think, alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it?